Hello everyone, welcome to part 20 of Laravel 11 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB, and we are working on the Laravel Crud operations for CMS pages. And in this particular video we will work on the add edit CMS pages functionality. Okay, so in this video we will just add the add CMS page form. Okay, so let's start working on this one. Here are the steps that you can follow under video description as well. Okay, so first thing is that we are going to add the cms page button. Okay, so this is the script that we will add here somewhere. Okay, so in the last video we able to update the status for the cms page. We can make them active or inactive instantly, and now we will add the cms page here. Okay, so I'm going to open the cms page file, and we'll add this one, this add cms page under cms pages. So I think only this link we are required to copy and will place under cms pages. Where it is, here it is, and under it we are going to add this one. Okay, so I will refresh once to see that if we able to add it correctly. So see here, add cms page has come up here. Okay, so after that we are going to add the route for add edit cms page. So this is the common route both for add and edit of the cms page. So I'm going to copy and will place it inside the web.php file, that is the route file under admin group. Okay, admin middleware group, and here at the last, and we will accept both get and post for this route add edit cms page. And here if we will return id, here if we will use the id parameter, then it is for the edit, and if we will not use any id parameter here, then it means that we are using it for add. Okay, so this is optional, so that's why we have added id question mark, because this is optional. If we will remove this one, then it is not optional, then we need to pass the id in all cases. Okay, but here we will pass the id only in case of edit. Okay, so here the function name is the edit, so we are going to create this function. See, its function is already created as it's the resource controller, so we are just required to modify this function. Edit function we will require to modify, and we are going to modify in such a way. Okay, so we have partially updated this edit function for now, and we will simply add the syntax here like this. Okay, uh, and here also at the top we are required to add this one. So I'm going to replace this with this script. Okay, so first thing is for the post method we are going to use this, and id is coming, sometime it is not coming, so we will use the id equal to null. Okay, so if the id is empty, then we will use the title as add cms page, and if id is not empty, then it means that some id is coming, so we will set the title as edit cms page. Okay, and we are going to return to this add edit cms page. And now see, we are going to create this file under cms pages folder. We are already having. I'm going to open my XAMPP, that project inside the XAMPP htdocs, and the project 11, here it is, and resources, views, admin, uh, pages, and here I'm going to create new file that with the name add edit cms page, and I'm going to create this file similar to like update admin file. Okay, here I'm going to create it similar to this one, update admin. Okay, because I require one form and I can pick this form, and otherwise you can also pick it from the template as well. Okay, so you can go inside the template and you can find that under pages folder, then under forms folder there is the file name journal.html in the template that you can pick and you can copy. But I am going to use that another file, that is the update admin details file, so that will help me, it will save my time. Okay, but I need to create one file here, and that will be called as add edit cms page. So I'm going to create this file here, new file, test file. I'm going to create this file, the new file here inside this pages folder. Okay, with the name add edit cms page. Okay, so the file has been created. I'm going to rename this file to blade.php. so if you are using Windows, you are simply required to create this file inside your pages folder that we have earlier created, and we have also added cms underscore pages file earlier. Okay, in that particular folder we will add another file, that is add underscore edit cms page. Okay, so now we can simply copy this complete uh, code and we'll paste here. Then we'll make changes like admin management. We are going to use the pages management, and here instead of this one we will use here add edit cms page. Okay, like this. See, though the title will come from there, I'm going to update the title, and here also update admin details, and here we will add the update cms page. Okay, so like this. uh, Now this one remain the same. After that, form changes we are going to do. So for form changes we will add here the name, title, url and description. So this is the form that we are required to add. Instead of that form, we will use this form. I am going to replace this with this one. Okay, so that is having the title, url and description. These three things we are required to add. Okay, so after this I'm going to see, I'm going to use this select css for the attractive drop downs, and that we am going to update at the layout.blade.php file. Okay, I'm going to open this layout.blade.php file and we'll add this one. Okay, this one is the css that I'm required to add here at the top. After this I'm going to add the css. Okay, for the drop down, uh, and this one we will add uh, here inside the script. Okay, see here I'm going to add it here. Before the tables we can add this one. Okay, so now I'm going to check it once that how it looks. I'm going to the cms pages, and here you can see the add cms page. I'm going to click on this one, and here you can see it looks fine. And see, pages management, update cms page. Okay, so I'm going to use the title here instead of this one. I'm going to use the title. So here we are using the title and passing the title, so I'm going to use this title here. Instead of this one, I am going to simply use the title, uh, dollar title here, that is coming from our function. uh, Not only here, but I'm going to use the title here as well. Okay, so let's see that how it looks now this is the add cms page, because we are not passing any kind of id here. And once we will pass the id, then we are going to show it as the edit cms page. See, right now, if we click on one, see here, edit cms page. So if we will pass any kind of id, so any particular page if we want to edit, then it will also show the that current details of that page here. Okay, so but right now we are working on the add cms page, so we are having the title as add cms page, and one can click from here. Okay, so in the next video we are going to update the cms page, that after clicking on submit we can find that cms page here, and after that we can able to edit as well, and finally we will able to delete as well. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.